the installer's guide to outgrowing chaos. Why ERP is your next power tool. Solar companies are growing fast. In this video, you'll learn how ERP software helps installers work more efficiently and avoid costly mistakes. Many solar installers still work with spreadsheets, disconnected tools, and manual processes. This often leads to delays, miscommunication, and unnecessary errors. ERP software combines every part of your workflow into one system. Projects, scheduling, inventory, communication, and reporting all become easier and more structured. As installation companies grow, managing more customers, materials, and deadlines becomes harder. ERP keeps everything organized and scalable. ERP speeds up planning, reduces paperwork, improves accuracy, and helps teams avoid installation mistakes. The result is smoother operations and lower costs. Most ERP systems are too broad or too complex. They require customization and long onboarding. For solar companies, they often don't match real installation workflows. OpusFlow is designed specifically for solar installers. It automates project workflows, supports real-time scheduling, and makes documentation quick and easy. Using a solar-focused ERP can save around 210 to 215 euros per project, thanks to reduced labor time and fewer errors. With OpusFlow, teams get faster processes, better internal communication, and a complete overview of every project. This leads to higher efficiency and stronger margins. ERP software isn't just a tool, it's the foundation for scaling a solar business efficiently. With a solution built for installers, companies can grow faster with fewer mistakes. If you want to learn more in depth about this topic, visit opusflow.io.